Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech A11Y Usha and I'm Usha.
New Outlook shortcuts.
Steps may be different between new and classic Outlook for Windows. To determine which version of Outlook you're using, look for File on the ribbon. If there's no file option, then it's New Outlook. If the file option appears, then it's Classic Outlook.
Frequently used shortcuts.
Create a new message or calendar event. Ctrl+N. Open selected message in a new window. Shift+Enter. Delete message or item. Delete. Forward message. Ctrl+F. Go to calendar. Ctrl+2. Select the reply all option. Ctrl+Shift+R. Reply to email message. Ctrl+R. Send email message. Ctrl+Enter. Open split buttons. Alt+down arrow key.
Edit text.
The text editing keyboard shortcuts in New Outlook are the same as those in other Microsoft products. Copy your selection to the clipboard. Ctrl+C. Cut text you selected. Ctrl+X. Delete selected text or characters to the left of the cursor. Backspace. Delete the word to the left of the cursor, but not the space before the word. Ctrl+Backspace. Insert a hyperlink. Ctrl+K. Paste content from the clipboard into the current location. Ctrl+V. Repeat the most recent action. Ctrl+Y. Reverse the most recent action. Ctrl+Z.
Format text.
The text formatting keyboard shortcuts in New Outlook are the same as those in other Microsoft products. Apply bold formatting. Ctrl+V. Apply italic formatting. Ctrl+I. Underline text. Ctrl+U.
Mail keyboard shortcuts. Use the folder pane.
Collapse the selected section. Left arrow key. Expand the selected section. Right arrow key.
Use the message and reading list.
Below keyboard shortcuts can be used to perform the same action in both the message list and the reading list. Delete selected message. Delete. Mark the selected conversation or message as read. Ctrl+Q. Mark the selected conversation or message as unread. Ctrl+U. Permanently delete the selected message or item. Shift+Delete. Flag a message or mark a flagged message as complete. Insert. Cancel a search. ESC. Go to the next message. Ctrl+sign greater than sign. Go to the previous message. Ctrl+sign less than sign.
Use the message list.
Below keyboard shortcuts are message list specific. Select the current and next message in the list. Use this to select multiple, contiguous messages. Shift+down arrow key. Select the current and previous messages in the list. Use this to select multiple, contiguous messages. Shift+up arrow key. Select the first message in the folder. Home or Ctrl+Home.
Use the reading list.
Below keyboard shortcuts are reading list specific. Close a new message. ESC. Create a new message. Ctrl+N. Forward a selected message. Ctrl+F. Go to the bottom of a conversation or message. End. Go to the top of a conversation or message. Home. Move down one page for conversations or messages of 2 or more pages. Page down. Move up one page for conversations or messages of 2 or more pages. Page up. Reply to the selected message. Ctrl+R. Reply to the sender and all recipients of the selected message. Ctrl+Shift+R. Send a message. Ctrl+Enter.
Calendar keyboard shortcuts.
Create a new calendar item. Ctrl+N. Delete the selected item. Delete. Go to the calendar. Ctrl+2. Move to a different region in the calendar. F6. Move to the next event or area in the current view. Tab key. Move to a previous event or area in the current view. Shift plus Tab. Open the selected item. Enter.
Use the calendar board view.
Open the quick switcher. Control plus Shift plus K. Pan left, right, up, or down. Control plus left, right, up, or down arrow key. With JAWS and NVDA, switch to focus navigation to use this shortcut. Reset pan and zoom. Control plus 0. Move selected item left, right, up, or down. Control plus Shift plus left, right, up, or down arrow key. With JAWS and NVDA, switch to focus navigation to use this shortcut. Deselect all items. ESC. Open board view. Shift plus Alt plus 6.
Contacts, people, keyboard shortcuts.
The People view is your address book in Outlook where your personal contacts are stored and where you can open any address book that has been set up for your organization. The People, Mail, and Calendar views work together, so you can easily send mail to and schedule appointments with your most important people. Go to People. Control plus 3. Go to Mail. Control plus 1. Go to Calendar. Control plus 2. Delete a contact or contact list. Delete or Control plus D. Create a contact. Control plus N. Search for a contact. Control plus E. Discard contact. ESC. Save a contact or contact list. Control plus S. Select all contacts or contact lists. Control plus A. Unselect all contacts or contact lists. ESC. Edit a contact or contact list. Shift plus E. Move down in the contact list or hub list. Down arrow key. Move up in the contact list or hub list. Up arrow key. Create a contact list. Control plus L. Display the list of people keyboard shortcuts. Shift plus question mark. Move the focus to the Home tab. Alt plus Windows plus H. Move the focus to the View tab. Alt plus Windows plus V.